Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Tequilaberry Salad. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for stopping by. If this is your first visit, please do me a favor, head down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also go down and check out that description box where you're going to find the recipe for this show and also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Tequilaberry Salad. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with 1 head of cauliflower, about 2 cups of shredded lettuce, 1 pound of bacon, a cup of mayonnaise, 2½ tablespoons of vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1½ cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. Let's start doing our prep. Alright, the first step you want to do is you want to be able to take your cauliflower and you want to cut the florets off and get them as small as possible. So I'm just going to go around with our knife and get all these cauliflower florets off of here. And throw them in this metal bowl here that I've got. Right, so I've got all the florets kind of cut off the core. Then I'm going to take our florets and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to dice all this up to make it very fine. Florets like this for our salad. I'm going to go ahead and continue this up. You don't have to watch me do all this. When we come back, it'll all be done and ready to go. Alright, there we go. I have got the cauliflower diced up. You want to call it riced up, but you don't have to get it evenly done. You know, there might be a few big chunks in there as well. Not a big deal. There might be a part of a core in there. Not a big deal, because you're going to be mixing it up with a bunch of other great ingredients. So, speaking of which, segue right into our bacon here. We are going to cut this bacon up. Here's a picture of me cooking it earlier this morning for breakfast, which was tasty, by the way. Thanks for asking. But you get a pound of bacon here and you just dice it up pretty much the same size as you've got your cauliflower. So everything in the bowl is kind of the same size. And we're just going to add this right to the bowl as well. And that is basically all the prep we have. Let's start mixing this up. Alright, so we got our Parmesan cheese. We're going to add that right in there. And we're just going to mix this all up before we add the mayonnaise to it, just because everything needs to be mixed up, or else you get big clumps of ingredients. And also, it's a good way to make sure your bowl's big enough for your ingredients. Alright, we got that mixed in. I'm going to throw the sugar in there too. We're just going to kind of get this sifted in here so it's all evenly spread throughout the ingredients. Then we're going to do our vinegar and our mayonnaise. Go ahead and mix this up too. We're going to throw our shredded lettuce in here now. 2 cups. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. When we get done with this, I'm going to plate it up, make it look really awesome, take some photos of it for social media. We're going to put those photos into the timeline with some really groovy music. Then we are going to come back and we're going to give this a taste. So don't go anywhere. beautiful pictures. Let's give this a taste now and see what it tastes like. A little bit of that bacon in there. Lettuce, cauliflower, cheese. Yep. Got like that vinegar and sugar. Give it like a coleslaw dressing in there. Parmesan. A little bit of a nuttiness to it. The bacon, of course, it's bacon. Adds love to anything. But it's a good salad to serve when you're doing a barbecue. If you're invited over to people's house for a summer picnic, make this. Everybody will love it. It's a good salad. There's quite a bit of history to this salad as well and where it came from. I know it comes from Coon Rapids, which is where I live. So there will be more of that history and a story over on my blog down on itsonlyfood.biz. You'll see that down in the description box as well. Be sure to check that out. Don't forget to chill it for at least 2 or 3 hours or overnight for maximum flavor. Let all those flavors come together. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and then, of course, share it with everybody you know. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time, right here on It's Only Food. Bye-bye.